Hi friends, now we're going to work on list 5. I'm going to say the word 3 times. We're going to talk about the sounds that each letter makes, and then I'm going to use the word in a sentence, so follow along. The first word is eat, 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 eat. The EA is a vowel team, so it says E, and the T says T, eat. A sentence we could use is, I love to eat ice cream. The next word is new, 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 new. The N says N, the EW says ooh, N, ooh. A sentence we could use is, I bought a new toy at Target. The next word is black, 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 black. The B says B, the L says L, the A says A, and the CK just says one sound, it says K, B, ooh, A, K. And a sentence we could use is, at night, the sky looks black. The next word is soon. Soon, soon, soon. In this word, the S says, the OO says ooh, and the N says n. Ooh, n. A sentence we could use is, it will be time to go home soon. The next word is 8. 8, 8, 8. In this word, the A says A because it's a magic E word, and the T says T, and the E is silent. 8. A sentence we could use is, I ate pizza for lunch. The next word is under. Under, under, under. The U says the N says n, the D says d, and the ER says because it's an R controlled or a bossy R word. A sentence we could use is, my friend is hiding under the slide. The next word is of. Of. This is a really tricky word because in this word, the O says and the F says v. A sentence we could use is, my feet are growing, so I need a new pair of shoes. The next word is had. Had. The H says, the A says eh, and the D says d. A sentence we could use is, I had a great time in STEAM today. The next word is her. Her. The H says, the ER says because it's a bossy R word. A sentence we could use is, I really like to play with her. The next word is as. As. The A says a, and the S says z, not s. As. A sentence we could use is, I am not as tall as my big brother. The next word is could. Could. The C says k. The OUL says and the D says d. D. Could. A sentence we could use is, I wish I could go swimming, but it is too cold. The next word is were. The W says and the ER says and the E is silent at the end. A sentence we could use is, my friends were going across the monkey bars. The next word is has. Has. The H says, the A says eh, the S says z. A sentence we could use is, my sister has a shirt I really like. The next word is who. The WH says and the O says ooh. A sentence we could use is, who is your favorite book character? The next word is must. The M says the U says the S says, the T says t. A sentence we could use is, we must get our work done before we go outside. The next word is white. White, white, white. The WH says the I says I because it's a magic E word. The T says T, and the E is silent. White, white. A sentence we could use is, we are going to use a white piece of paper so we can see our colors in art. The next word is hour. Hour, hour, hour. The OU says ow, and the R says hour. A sentence we could use is, our teacher is the best. The next word is say. Say, say, say. The S says S, and the AY says A, because it's a vowel team. A. A sentence we could use is, it is important to say please and thank you at lunch. The next word is please. Please, please, please. P says P, the L says L, the EA is a vowel team, so it says E, and the S says Z, and the E is silent. L, E, Z. Please. A sentence we could use is, I asked my mom if we could please get pizza for dinner. The next word is his. His, his, his. The H says P, the I says I, the S says Z, I, Z. And a sentence we could use is, I really like his shoes. All right, friends, that's it for list 5. Thanks for following along.